All right, now we're talking about sugar and fats. Uh, some fats are great, some fats are not so great. Sugar's never good. We'll start with sugars. Eating a lot of refined sugar and any sugar in any amount, high fructose corn syrup, things of the sort, leads to inflammation. Inflammation in the body, chronic inflammation, as we learned last week, is the root cause of all disease. Also, fun fact, a new study that just came out a couple months ago shows that refined sugar, mainly high fructose corn syrup, but all simple sugars, are directly linked to a lowering of the IQ in children and adults. So it doesn't matter when you start overindulging, that chronic overindulgence will lead to a lower IQ score down the line. Fats, saturated fats, unsaturated fats, completely different animals here. HDL, LDL cholesterol, we know HDL is the good cholesterol, you want more of it. LDL, the bad cholesterol. You also want your total cholesterol score under a certain amount, usually 200, but that's another conversation. Saturated fats, animal fats, so fatty beef, bad fish, the cheese, any sort of animal fat, high fat milk, things of that nature are high in saturated fat. They will raise LDL, which is your bad cholesterol. They will also in turn lower your good cholesterol. Liquid fats, think plant fats, olive oil, seeds, nuts, nut butters like peanut butter, almond butter, avocados, salmon, halibut, cold water fatty fish. All of those are unsaturated, either poly or monounsaturated fats. They will raise your good cholesterol and lower your bad cholesterol. Sugar, too much in the system. The liver has enough glycogen in it, which is common because we eat a lot of carbohydrates in our diet. So when we ingest extra sugar, instead of the liver processing it, because it's already full of glycogen, which is sugar, it'll store it into the fat cells. So now we have sugar being stored as fat, causing inflammation, eating saturated fat, raising our bad cholesterol, lowering the good cholesterol. It's just a vicious cycle. It leads to pain, leads to disease, and it is very hard to start shaking off excess unwanted body fat that way.